Hi, everyone. So, yeah, don't waste your money when you don't really have money to invest. Seems pretty obvious, but what I mean is don't invest when you're in debt. Pay off the debt first. The reason being that the interest on your debt is probably a lot higher than what you would make from your investments, especially if it's credit card debt. That's really high. And God forbid you've gone to a loan shark or something like that. Don't do that. So yeah, it's kind of obvious, I guess, but say it anyway. Investing requires capital, requires money. You need money to make money, that old saying. If you're broke, you can't really invest in anything because you have no money. But yeah, if you were able to come up with some money and you're still in debt, you're probably not going to be able to invest in anything good anyway, right? We're looking at penny stocks, which are a real risk. Then you risk losing your money. So, yeah, it really hinders any meaningful investments. And then if you do invest, you risk losing what you've invested and you're still in debt. So, yeah, I would pay off your debt, get a solid base, and then slowly save and invest the money that you have once you've paid everything off. So yeah, focus on financial stability before investing. So yeah, pretty simple, but maybe needs to be said.